Subject is English of Standard First, and the name of the topic is Know Each Other. Students, you have many friends in your school, in your class, near your house, etc. Okay? So you talk to them easily, isn't it? If any new family comes in your area or near your house to stay, and a child is there in that family like you, then won't you like to make him your friend? Okay, then let us learn about how to know each other by using conversation. Students, first we will understand about the meaning of know. Here you can see two words, isn't it? Both we spell in the same manner. See, this is also called know, and this is also know. Got this? N-O, no means nahi. And K-N-O-W, no means pata hai. I know means pata hai. I don't know. Okay, this I will take. I don't know means मुझे पता नहीं, मालूम नहीं. Here students, you can see two friends, they are talking to each other, right? Here, which no is there? This one or this one? This is means no means नहीं. And this no means मुझे मालूम है. नहीं तो मालूम करना, पता करना. Okay, means this we can say here because both are talking to each other. They are happy with each other. So we can write here this no, isn't it? They know each other. ए लड़की को ये लड़की पता है. And she also knows this girl. So they are laughing and they are talking to each other. आप लोगों को मालूम पड़ा? K-N-O-W, नो बोला तो मालूम, नहीं तो पता, पता करना. ओके, एंड N-O, नो बोला तो नहीं. Shall we move further? Now you can see here again two friends. They know each other. They know each other and they are friends. So they are talking to each other, isn't it? Now they met after some days because it is lockdown, isn't it? They are staying in their home, correct? Now after so many days they met. So how they will talk? Hi, Rohan, how are you? He is asking. Hi Satish, I am good. Thank you. How are you? He is asking again about Rohan's health. Isn't it? Like this conversation we start when we meet our known friends. Isn't it? You know this very well because you have so many friends. Isn't it? Now, students, we will move to our lesson. Okay. Know each other. Okay. Each other. Know means you know. पता करना. Each other. आपस में पता करना. एक दूसरे को पता करना. एक दूसरे के बारे में मालूमात करना. नहीं तो जानकारी लेना. Okay. That is the meaning of know each other. Okay. Now listen and say. You know what is the meaning of listen? Listen means सुनने का, hear करने का, and say means बोलने का. Listen and say. Okay. Now here one girl is there and one boy. This one is a new boy in her area. Okay. She is staying in one place and this boy came to her place. So she want to know this boy. Who is this boy? From where he came and all this. She want to know. So she starts conversation. Hello, what is your name? She asked. We have to use like this conversation when we want to know any other person. Okay. Hello, what is your name? The boy said. Hello, my name is Soham. What is your name? He asked. She said, I am Reena. Then again she asked, how old are you? He said, I am 6 years old. आप कितने साल के हो? मैं 6 years वाला हूँ. She again asked, in which standard are you studying? कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ रहे हो? In which standard are you studying? I am in first standard. What about you? He asked. अभी उसने पूछा. What about you? I too in standard first. She said. What is your school name? If you are also in standard first, then where you are studying? What is your school name? He said, my school's name is Manav Public School. And what is your school name? He asked. She said, my school's name is Sassoon Public School. They both are in different school, but they are in standard first, isn't it? Okay, he said, and they went away. Next day, again they met along with their parents. She said, good morning, because she know that boy now, isn't it? So she said, good morning, this is my father. His name is Ramesh. He is a doctor. What she said? Good morning, this is my father. His name is Ramesh. He is a doctor. Then that boy said, good morning. This is my mother. Her name is Priya. She is a teacher. Like this they said to each other. Because now they are slowly becoming friends, isn't it? Then the girl said, Soham, now we know each other, right? Then Soham said, yes, you are right, Reena. Come, let us play. Because now both are good friends, so they started to play. Isn't it a nice one? Reena got a new friend, Soham, and Soham also got a new friend, Reena. Yes, students, I hope you understood about how to make new friends by talking with each other. For this, you have to start with hello. Like this, you have to start. Okay? We have learned how to know each other by making conversation. isn't it? Now we will move to fifth lesson, that is let's learn alphabets. Okay. Now students, let's move to chapter number 5, that is let's learn alphabets. Students, you have learnt the alphabets in senior KG, isn't it? Now we will go through them once. Look and say. These are small letters. You can see here. Okay. These are small letters. You know there are capital letters and small letters. These are small letters. Look and say. You have to look this and you have to say this. Come on students. Let us say all small letters. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yes, you know this very well, isn't it? Okay, now we will move to capital letters. Before that, we will go through some of the words. Okay. Tell a word that begins with any letter. T, table. B, bat. C, cat. D, dog. P, pen. R, rat. M, mango. O, orange, etc. You can see the picture and you can tell the word. See here T. It begins with T. Table, T, isn't it? Yeah, R. Rat. It begins with R. It begins with M. Got this? Okay. Now again look and say capital letters. Now we have done small letters. Now these are capital letters. We will read this. First you look and say. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Students, these are called capital letters. Right? You know about small and capital letters, isn't it? And you know how to read this. Right? Okay. Arrange the following letters in alphabetical order. You know students, what is the meaning of alphabetical order? Means according to A, B, C, D. Okay, we will go through. See, this is, you can read D, K, W, A. And what is given? Arrange the following letters in alphabetical order. These alphabets को alphabetical order में रखना है. ये कैसे भी बैठे हैं अभी, उनको उठा के अपने हमें क्या करना है, अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में रखना है। जैसे तुम लोग खड़े होते हैं प्रेयर के लिए, छोटे से बड़ा, राइट, वैसे ही उनका भी एक ऑर्डर है, उसको बोलते हैं अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर। आई विल राइट हियर, सी दिस इज अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर। ए के बाद में बी, आफ्टर बी सी कम्स, आफ्टर सी डी, डी के बाद में ई के बाद में एफ। एक परफेक्ट ऑर्डर है, यही ऑर्डर में अपने को इनको बिठाना है। तो इनमें से दिस इज डी, के, डब्ल्यू, ए, which one will come first here? Yes, we'll write answer. Which one will come first? A, isn't it? First A आएगा, right? I will write A. A को अभी छोड़ दो, अभी only see these three, D, K, W. A के बाद में क्या, B, C, D, D है, correct? A, D को उठाओ अभी. Now we will write D. Next, उसके बाद में क्या है, K एंड W दोनों ही बचे। K तो इधर ही है एंड W लास्ट में है, सो हम लोग ऐसे जाते वक्त K पहला आएगा, राइट? सो वी विल राइट K फर्स्ट, देन वी विल राइट W. Now we have written the given alphabets in alphabetical order. उनके हिसाब से हम लोगों ने अभी इनको लिखा है, ओके? नेक्स्ट, S, P, T, C. तो फर्स्ट कौन आएगा? वेरी गुड, C आएगा, राइट, नाइस। देन S, P, T. Now see here, where is S? Here S, P here and T here. So कौन पहला आएगा? P, then S, then T, isn't it? We will write P, S, T. मालूम पड़ा आपको? वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट, this is capital alphabets, isn't it? So we will take this out. We will bring capital alphabets. Now again same thing, E, J, B, Y, S. Again here we will go through. First what will come? E, J, B. B will come first, isn't it? So we will write answer. First we will write B. Then in the first line E is there, isn't it? Here also it is E is there. So we will write E. Then J, Y, S remain. Here J. Yes, very good. So we will write J. Then where is Y and S? S is here. So I will write S. Then in last line Y is there. So last Y. Got this, students? Like this you have to choose one by one and you have to write in that proper order. Next one, L, J, B, X, O. Which one will come first? L, J, B is there, isn't it? So B will come first. Then what remained? L, J, X, O. L, J, J, L. First, what will come? J, isn't it? J, then L, right? Then what remained? X and O. So O is in the third line. So we will write O first, then we will write X. Got this, students? This is called alphabetical order. Means you have to arrange the given alphabets in alphabetical orders. This also we can say letters. Okay? We have to arrange these letters in alphabetical order. Got this, students? Match the capital letters with small letters. Here you can see small letters on this oval and here you can see capital letters. This is very easy, isn't it? You have to match. Okay, we will start. First, T. See this, correct? Small t, capital T. Small m, capital M. Small c, where is in this here? small c, capital C, right? So I will take this. Then next Q. Here it is small q, capital Q. So we will draw a line. A, this is small a, capital A, isn't it? Small s, capital S. Yeah, we have matched a small letters with capital letters, isn't it? Now look and say. Here, see the students, here the alphabets you can see small and capital together. This is for you. You have to look this and you have to say all these alphabets. Okay? A, B, like this you can say. You know this, right? You have to do revision. Okay, dear students? Practice this.